So what happened with the monkeys?
Bonk their heads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why'd they bonk their heads?
Because they want to bonk their heads.
They wanted to bonk their heads?
Yeah, so the monkey calls the doctor.
Yeah, and then what?
Bonk heads down the floor.
Yeah. So the mama called the doctor?
Yeah.
And then what did the doctor say?
No jumping on a bed.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Jumping on a bed.
What happens if you fall off?
Didn't do that.
Don't fall off. What happens if you fall off?
I bonked my head.
Yeah.
And I fell off the bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you got me out my bed.
Yeah.
Once I fall down.
All right. What? Okay. All right, bye.
Why?
No more jumping on the bed?
Why I fall off once off your bed, Mama?
You bounced off. Whoa. Like that kind of, but you bounced off onto the floor.
Then they cried.